Welcome back to my very messy kitchen. Today I am going to be showing you how easy it is to cook asparagus on the stove. This is super simple. It does not take very long at all, and there's like basically no prep work that you have to do. The only thing you have to do is to cut the woody part of the asparagus off. I'll show you 2 ways that you can do that. And so this video is going to be super short. We're going to get right to the point. Let's cook some asparagus. Okay, so basically you can cut the woody end of the asparagus off in one of 2 ways. You can either hold the asparagus at each end and snap it, or you can just line them up, kind of eyeball it and cut them, which is my preferred way. Normally I leave the rubber bands on and I just move the rubber bands so that they like stay together really well, but I didn't do that this time around. So I'm just putting in my pan a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter. Really, you just need a little bit of oil, but I thought the butter would give it a better flavor. Asparagus kind of has a strong flavor on its own, but you can really put a lot of seasonings and stuff with it. So I'm using a little olive oil, a little butter, and then I'm going to do a little salt and pepper. But other than that, you could do garlic powder, onion powder. You could do a little chili powder for a little smokiness. You could do some smoked paprika. You could add turmeric. Turmeric doesn't add much in the way of flavor, but it does add a nice color. You could put whatever you want on these. You could make them spicy. You could put a little like honey on them, make them a little sweet. Garlic, onion, tomatoes. You could really put just about anything with asparagus. Lemon is good. I bet lemon pepper would be good. You can kind of do whatever, but this is just like the basic of how you cook them on the stove. I put them in there. I have the heat up kind of high, and you just want to cook them. They'll turn bright green. And you want to cook it just past that for if you really want like a nice, firm, crunchy asparagus. If you want it cooked more, if you want yours a little bit softer, a little bit more like well done, just cook it for longer. I'm just like kind of zhuzhing them around in the pan. I'm just kind of playing with them because it's hard to just sit there and watch things cook. But it really doesn't take long. I decided it needed a pinch more salt. It's so simple and so easy. This took me about 5 minutes total, I think, because I like a really firm asparagus. But like I said, if you want it cooked more well done, just cook it for a little bit longer. About 5 to 7 minutes is all you need, and there they are. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.